Welcome back, everybody. Today we're on this Honda Odyssey again, and we're going to do rear upper control arms, which almost looks like a tie rod end. It's small. Anyways, I'm going to take you through step by step. On this top control arm, we only have 2 bolts holding it in. You got this 17 mil, but I'm just gonna crack it loose right now because we need to disconnect the ball joint part here from the spindle before we even talk about trying to take this bolt out, because you need leverage to pop this guy loose. Pull the cotter pin out from the castle nut. Then you're gonna use a 19 millimeter wobbly. You're gonna feed it in this way and get on it and remove that guy. Now that this thing's disconnected, I'm gonna take the 17 there, undo it all the way. But the stupid spacer came out, so now I have to take this on the bench and beat the hell out of it. So hopefully this doesn't happen to you. The upper rear control arm is a TC5619 for the passenger side, and a TC5620 for the driver's side. Start by putting that 17 in finger tight, that way the piece still moves. Jack up the control arm until the car starts to lift, and then you're gonna slide that guy in, put the nut on the bottom, torque the PP out of it, and put the cotter pin through the hole. Once this is tight, line up one of the castle nut openings with the hole, put your cotter pin back in. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go give me $1 a month on Patreon. It's $1 a month. You spend more on blowing your nose every month. If you liked the video, hit like, share, subscribe, all that other stuff. Till next time, wrench on.